Most Minnesota businesses are waiting until the 11th hour now to pay a big tax increase triggered when state lawmakers could not agree on a way to avoid it.
The governor is blasting lawmakers in both parties for that tax hike. Political reporter Theo Keith says another deadline looms.
About 130,000 Minnesota businesses owe up to $400 million in payroll taxes, but less than half have submitted their paperwork and fewer than that have actually paid the tax ahead of the April 30th deadline. Everyone is looking at the legislature. Governor Tim Walz promoted his economic policies at a grocery store produce section this week, where he aimed his frustration back toward lawmakers at the Capitol.
It's absolutely ridiculous that we haven't taken care of that.
It means the unemployment insurance tax hike that lawmakers allowed to happen, and an impasse holding up bonus checks to workers who are on the front lines of the pandemic.
This should have been the easiest deal in Minnesota political history. With the surplus we had, with the need to repay the trust fund and to keep our promise and the law that we wrote back in June, that should have got done in January.
State law requires a payroll tax increase anytime Minnesota's unemployment benefit fund falls below a set level of reserves. Economic development officials say $2.7 billion is needed to flip the tax switch back off. About 100 business leaders came to the Capitol this week, pressuring lawmakers for a deal.
And Minnesota is an outlier state, needs to be competitive. We don't fix this, Minnesota businesses are at a disadvantage.
Senate Republicans want the full tax break, while House Democrats favor a smaller amount, along with a change in law to freeze the tax increases, though not everyone believes that would be effective. Democrats have also linked the issue to $1 billion in frontline worker bonuses.
We understand, of course, the importance of the UI issue, but we've had workers waiting for a year plus for any kind of recognition from federal money of the extraordinary effort they put in on our behalf.
The governor supports both the business tax break and the worker checks, but he's vowing not to bring the legislature back for a special session on this or anything else if lawmakers can't get deals by the end of session next month. From the Capitol, Theo Keith, Fox 9.